been a year of action and innovation. Let's dive into the highlights of our team's incredible work. Every improvement, every innovation, every step forward brought us closer to our goals. Let's recognise the hard work and dedication that made it happen. Watch how our team transformed our operations using lean principles and continuously eliminating the 8 wastes.
So one of the favourite improvements this year has been this new TED bench, or the new section. So it's closer to the packing area, less motions. But yeah, it's going really well. So second favourite improvement was this was just recently done, which I have a mixed idea from Rega's idea and a couple other things I've done in the past. So the Kanban holds how many sheets that is required. But yeah, that's one of the second ones I kind of liked as well.
So one of my favourite improvements for 2024 is this TED sign. So it's backlit and you can turn it on using the remote, and you can change it depending on what colour you want. It could be used as a scoreboard in the future, but it's pretty cool. That's my favourite lean improvement for 2024 is this Kanban card system. So put all your information in these boxes. You've got your product name, Kanban quantity, the refill quantity, and then part I want to focus on is this auto generation QR code. So you put the code in, which for this product AFSDB, enter it, and QR code is creation within Excel, and then we go into the template, just here and scroll down to the product you want, Birkenstock stock. Otherwise you can search for it, Birkenstock stock, and all the information is filled in, ready to print. That is saved us a whole lot of time. We don't actually go and create a QR code, put it in, it's all just there for us.
So one of my favourite improvements for 2024 is this mighty cutting station. So before, we used to have these big rolls of material and we'd have them down on the floor and be down on our hands and knees. Now they're on a roller underneath the table. Bring this material up, and generally we're cutting roughly around 1 metre, so that just sits there, a metre mark down here. Got this groove in here. We grab our cutter that goes in this track that we made out using the same material in the bottom here, and then cut through like that, as easy as. So that's our great improvement, guys. Right, another favourite improvement for 2024, probably the best one we've had here, is our morning meeting board. So it's gone from a old whiteboard to a digital screen, a tablet running it. We've got our morning meeting board shelf down here with everything we need, our timer, clicker for the screen, and got a standard there of where everything goes. Our little clicker we can pull off, got a Velcro dot on it, and we run through our slides, whoever's hosting the meeting, each morning. Great improvement, team.
So this is one of my favourite improvements. In this area here, we've got some machines at the mix, we're going to show some of that off, is where we get all our bulk shipment in from overseas. Sometimes we get up to 14 pallets in here at one time, and we need to keep this space clear and tidy. So we have kept this area up here for holding stock before it gets put into the right place. And we made the shipment crates, which made life a lot easier. And we're going to show the full process of that and how it's improved over the year. So you can see here, all labels, shipment crate, you've got your aisle number, whether it's going to shelf or bulk, and then you've also got it telling you it's the front, so when you collect it, you pick it up this way. Also means when we get stock in from overseas, if it's got labels, we have it so it all faces one way, so it's real easy for the guy to see when he's putting it away. And then just to show you the before and after, before when we used to get a shipment in and we had to put it away into bulk stock above, we only had a metal tray this big, so you can only fit a small amount of stock onto there and be up, down, up, down. So to be able to use these new crates get a bigger surface area and put things away quicker, we bought what we call Scooby, which means it can fit down the aisles, you can carry that pallet up, and you can put stock away a lot quicker. Okay, so as we've grown over the past year, this used to be an all bulk warehouse that fed next door. We've had to make this into a picking warehouse to accommodate all the stock that we're getting. Before, lots of this big medical sheeting that we use for orthotics, which can be 2 meters long by 1 meter, it used to be next door in shelves and on its side. And as you can see, it generally sticks together. When you pull it, it folds. It's a bit of a nightmare. And putting it away when we got this from shipment used to take days. And it used to take 2 of us with it hunched over our backs. So we got specially made pallets. So instead of a normal 100 by 1200, we've now got a 1200 by 1600 wooden pallet made just for us. And it just means that now we can get Spud, our forklift, can come in, pick up the pallet, bring it out. 2 of you can easily lift all the sheets off, put the new stock at the bottom, old stock on the top. And the last shipment we had of all this sheeting, instead of it taking days, it took 4 hours to get the whole lot away. So it saved us loads of time. So an awesome improvement.
A lane improvement that is one of the good ones is the zone colour keys was the first one. So each area in the building has been split into a zone and they've all been given their own colour, and now any items within those zones have those colour labels. The next thing we did was a border colour key. So we used to have tape around the show and borders around different things, but it got confusing as to what was what. So we have put this colour key in place, and anything with a blue around it is a standard operating procedure. Anything with green means it is a Kanban management. Anything with yellow around it is an instruction or a standard reminder. Red is bulk stock or shortly, and then we had to add this one in because we came across some more confusion. And when you see a QR code with purple around it, it is part of the scanning the QR code is part of the process. We then took it further, and each of these 7 areas has this whole setup in it. Another favourite improvement is that on this coffee machine, so previously, the machine standard is that this light here flashes once it runs out of water. But that's actually too late, because if it's midway through a coffee, that's a waste of coffee. So got an inspiration from one of Seating Matters improvements they did during the year, and I have now got this string in the back that has a fishing buoy attached to it, so it floats on top of the water. And once this purple line gets down to here, I know I need to refill the tank.